But you know I try to think about it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anousha and today I'm going to create the Ariana Grande Break Up With Your Girlfriend, I'm Bored a video recreating that look because oh my god, I'm so obsessed with that video and that song and the vibe she's giving. So with no further ado, let's just get started. So unfortunately I don't have like this huge ponytail that Ariana has, but I thought, you know what, this will do. Okay, so I'm going to start off with priming my face. I have like 4 primers here. It's ridiculous, but anyway, we're just going to do that. The first primer I'm going to use is my BB primer makeup base. I really love this because it's like a moisturizer. Just like I have a really dry skin and this gives me some moisture like in my skin. Then I'm going to use my Perfection from W7 and just apply this around my nose area. After that I'm going to use my Smashbox Photo Finish. And then for the last step I'm going to use my Becca Backlight Priming Filter. Just got this recently. I really like this for every day. It just gives you like a glow from within. Now I'm going to do my brows. Just going to do them quickly. So now I'm going to prime my face, and for this I'm going to use my P. Louise base in the color Tree. So I'm first going to use a light pink color, and I got these like 3 New Revolutions palettes. One is the Pretty Strong palette, and I'm going to use Prominent shade right here to use that as a transition shade. And then for in my crease I am going to Revolution palette Reloaded Iconic Vitality. It really looks like the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. Only I find some shades have like a different tone, especially like this orange right here. So that one is what I'm going to use, like a burn shade. Then to like blend all these shades together, I am going to use 10 lines, this one right here, from Makeup Geek. It does look like she has like a cut crease going on, so I'm going to use the shade Creme Brulee from Makeup Geek. I like cutting. She had some glitter on her eyelids, so for that I'm going to use first my Stila liquid and glow in the color Bronze Belle and see if I can get the same result with this. I'm going to take it on a small brush. Eyeliner, so that's what I'm going to do next. And she also has glitter on the top of her eyeliner. So like something like there. So now I'm going to do my face. And first, because she's glowing like goddess in the video, I'm going to take my iconic illuminator drops in the color Original and just like And then for my foundation, I'm going to mix my Milani 2-in-1 concealer with the Estee Lauder Double Wear, just to give some extra coverage. For concealer, I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution concealer in the color C12 and C13. For powder, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier's translucent powder and just apply that over my whole face. Just lightly. For bronzer, I'm going to use my NYX bronzer in the color Deep. So my camera stopped recording. I did some blush and eyelashes on. These are the Ardell Wispies. Next move, a highlighter. I'm going to use my Jouer highlighter in Topaz. The highlight is there. So I'm going to use some setting spray to finish off this look. I'm first going to use my Milani Make It Dewy. Then on top, my Urban Decay All Nighter. This dry, so moving on to a lips, final step. So in the video, it's like a brown, mauvey, pinkish color. So I got my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palettes. And I think I'm just going to mix the shade right here with the pinky shades. In the videos she has like a good gloss on, so I'm going to use my NYX Butter Gloss on top. So this completes this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this look inspired by Ariana Grande, her new music video. I will leave a link down in the description box if you would like to see the video. What do you think? Did I did a great job, or do you have like some tips? I think I did a decent job for this look. So please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm almost at 500 subscribers, like 3 to go. And then I will do the giveaway. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.